Hi folks, welcome to our YouTube channel License Learning and Career. Today we are going to see CSV job opportunities in life science industry. So before introducing the slide, let me introduce myself. My name is RK Singh and I am working in the life science industry for a couple of years. I have experience in quality control, quality assurance, vendor audit as well as in compliance. Okay, so let's get started. The first slide is a definition of license. Okay. So before going into the topics of the job opportunities in the life science industry, so first we need to understand what is called life science industry. So as a fresher, as a new to the life science industry people, they don't know what is called life science industry. So I'm giving the proper definition of the life science industry. Okay. So the life science industry comprises, okay, it comprises companies operating in the research development, okay, manufacturing of pharmaceuticals, biotechnology based food and medicines, okay, medical devices, biomedical technologies, nutraceuticals, cosmeceuticals, food processing and other products that improve the lives of organism. Okay, so it clearly states that the life science industry is a vast, okay, it's a vast category which comprises of many companies, okay, that combined together, which improves the life of organism, okay, which improves the different industry which are present in the life science, okay, which the helps to which helps and improves the lives of the organization. That is called the definition of the life science. Okay, so what are the different industry are in the life science? The first is pharmaceutical. Okay, pharmaceutical comprises of API as well. Okay, I have not mentioned here, but API is also there, active pharmaceutical ingredients. Okay, that also comes under pharmaceutical companies only. Okay, pharmaceutical companies, biotechnology companies, medical device companies, CRO and CMO. In the next slides we are going to see the definition of the each industry. Okay. Okay, so what is pharmaceutical industry? Pharmaceutical industry, okay, pharmaceutical companies, okay, that develop and distribute the medicine to cure, treat, or prevent disease and conditions. Okay, it's nothing but the pharmaceutical companies mainly producing what medicines. Okay, okay, they develop and distribute the medicines, okay, to cure the patients and treat. Okay, so that's what it is written here. Pharmaceutical companies develop and distribute medicines to cure, treat, or prevent disease and conditions. Okay, pharmaceutical companies may also produce generic and innovator medications. Okay, the top pharmaceutical companies are present in the world are what they are called? They are Pfizer, Roche, Merck, Johnson and Johnson, and Novartis. Okay, what is biotechnology companies? In the previous slide we seen the what is called pharmaceutical companies. Okay, now we are going to see the what is biotechnological companies. Biotechnological companies uses the natural process of living organism to manufacture products, food and medical products or solve challenges. Okay, so here they are using the natural process of living organism, okay, to manufacturing the products. So that's why it is called biotechnological companies. But for what is the difference between pharmaceutical companies? They just developing the medicines. Okay, they are just developing the medicines by using the active pharmaceutical ingredients. Okay, they are not even living organism. Okay, this is not a natural process in the pharmaceutical industry happened. But when it comes to biotechnological companies, here they are doing the natural process. Okay, they're using the natural process of living organism, okay, to manufacturing the products. That's the difference between the pharmaceutical company and a biotechnological company. Okay, so let's see the what is mentioned here. Biotech firms use the natural process of living organism to manufacture products, food and medicine products, okay, medicinal products or solve challenges. Okay, the largest biotechnological companies include Novo Nordisk, Novo Nordisk, Glade Science. Okay, so in the previous slide, we seen the pharmaceutical industry, biotechnological industry, and the difference between both. Okay, now we are going to see the medical device companies. Medical device companies develop and manufacturing medical, okay, and surgical instrument. Okay, they are developing and manufacturing what medical and surgical instrument that can be used to diagnosis, prevent, monitor, and treat medical conditions. Okay, we are seeing in the hospitals, right? The surgical instrument we are seeing there, and the big companies like the Thermo Fishers, they are producing the medical instruments, right? If you go to hospital you can see the life supporting system, GE healthcare producing that one. So they are called medical device. Okay, that companies are producing that devices. Okay, so that's what it's written here. It can be used for diagnosis, prevent, monitor, and treat medical conditions. A medical device can be an instrument, okay, which I said earlier. It's an instrument, machines, implant, apparatus, software, or a combination of all of this. Okay, it can be anything. It can be instrument, machines, implant, apparatus, software, and a combination of all of things. Okay, the top medical device companies are what? Medtronics, Thermo Fisher Scientific is the biggest company. Johnson and Johnson is there, about is there, and G Healthcare. We know about the G Healthcare. Okay, so the final what we are going to see, what is CRO and CMO. Okay, the CRO is called a contract research organization, CROs. And what is the difference between CRO and the CMO? If you see the difference, is nothing but this CMO is contract manufacturing organization and it's a research organization. Okay, so here they are just doing the research work and they taking the contract manufacturing. Okay, they used to get contract from the big industry and they used to manufacturing this thing. So that is called a CMOs. Okay, there is a difference between CRO and CMO. Please go through this slide. You will get idea. Okay. Sometimes they are also called contract development and manufacturing organization combined together. Okay, contract what development, they are also doing development and manufacturing organization, CDMOs play a critical role in the supporting the pharmaceutical, biotech, and medical device industry. Okay, so that's what it is mentioned here. CRO and CMO support clients effort to research, test, refine, manufacture, and market drugs and drug products and medical device. Okay, they are just a contract organization which helps the big industry, big pharmaceutical, biotech industry, medical device industry, okay, to reduce their work, and they used to make the work as soon as possible, and they're giving the output to them directly. Okay, so that's the reason why the CRO playing the major roles in the nowadays. Okay, the top CRO company, Parexel, IQVIAs are there. Okay, so we seen what is the definition of life science and what are the companies present in the life science industry. Okay, pharmaceutical industry we seen, then we seen the biotechnological companies, then we seen the medical device companies. Finally, we seen what is CRO and CMOs. Okay. Okay, so this main topic we are coming here. I'm just giving the brief explanation about the life science industry. Okay, so that's the reason why I given the definition of the life science. Then I given the what are the life science comprises companies are there. So I have given all the definitions for this. So now you will get a broad idea about the life science industry, right? So now we are going to mainly going to focus on the job opportunities present in the life science industry. So before going to life science industry, we cannot directly go into it, right? So at least to enter into life science industry or any of the industry, um, like the pharma or biotechnology, medical devices or CROs, at least we have some education qualification. Okay, so what are the education qualifications required in India to get the CSV job roles? Okay, so first of all, the BSc degrees is must. Okay, Bachelor of Science, Master degree is must. Okay, either you have BSc or MSc, you can get the job opportunities. I have seen many people who are having BSc and MSc, they are working in CSV job roles. Okay, then B Pharmacy and B Farm and M Farm. Okay, these people also eligible for this role. Apart from that, BTech, Bachelor of Technology, IT peoples. Okay, so people who has done BTech, they can do the CSV job. Okay, for example, I have given the example of computer science, instrumentation engineering, like electricals, electronic, chemical, IT. Apart from that, I have seen that even mechanical, civil peoples also working in the CSV job roles. So it depends upon on them. So I have not mentioned it here, but yes, this is also possible. Mechanical and civil persons also working on the CSV job roles I have seen. Okay, apart from that, biotechnology degree, BSc biotechnology or biotechnology engineering, whatever things, so that degree is also eligible. And a diploma in science also eligible for this role. I have seen many places. Okay. Okay, now how we can as a fresher, okay, how we can find as a fresher or as an new to the life science industry, how they can get the CSV job role in India. Okay, so as a fresher you can start the pharmaceutical, where you can start your journey. You can definitely start your journey in pharmaceutical companies, API, as I mentioned earlier, active pharmaceutical ingredients companies, okay, CRO, okay, which I mentioned previously, medical device companies, research and development centers, R&D centers, cosmetic industry, food processing industry, okay, third party consultancy. So I have seen that many people nowadays getting as a fresher job in third party consultancy only, because third party consultancy only giving the job for the freshers nowadays. So even though the salary is less, don't worry about that one, just go and learn the things, okay, then you come out and you will grab many opportunities present in the big top MNCs and the IT industry as well in pharmaceutical, okay. So third party consultancy and the IT industry as well, okay. Okay, then what are the major pharmaceutical hubs in India? Okay, so if you want to start your career in the major pharmaceutical hubs, definitely you can try Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the pharma hub of the India, as you know already. Okay, you can start your career in Baddi also. It's a remote area location which is present in Himachal Pradesh. You can start in Gujarat, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, then Ankleshwar, okay, Vapi. Then you can start your career in Sikkim as well, then Kolkata, Visakhapatnam, Bangalore, Chennai, Navi Mumbai, Pune, and Aurangabad. Okay, these are the major pharmaceutical hubs in India where you can start your career there. Okay, so apart from that, you can also start your career in IT industry as an fresher. You can nowadays IT industry present in the pan India. You can start anywhere in the top top metro cities, okay, where you can start your journey in the IT industry. You can start your license career there also. So as a fresher you can try the, definitely as an Indian, we can try the Naukri and LinkedIn platform for job search, okay, where you can if you try continuously and if you keep applying in Naukri and LinkedIn, definitely you will get the call from the recruiters, okay. uh, don't worry about you are a fresher, you don't get job, definitely you will have job in license industry, especially in computer system validation. Nowadays the computer system validation is on top boom, okay, the opportunities are very high. So try to grab that opportunity and keep applying in the Naukri and LinkedIn. So I have given the hint where you can which companies you can start search looking for the job, okay. You just try in the multiple companies, okay. Don't looking for pharmaceutical itself, you can try API, CRO, medical device, all those things, definitely you will get this job, okay. And you can also ask the friends referrals, okay, who are working in the license industry. You can approach them and you can ask them if you have any openings, fresher openings or an startup openings in your company. Just let them know that my friend is there, like that, okay. You can also take the friends referrals as well. So thank you so much, my friends, for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. In the upcoming days I'm going to make the brief topics on the computer system validation, okay. So I mean, due to my personal things, I can't able to make much more videos for the past 3 to 4 months, okay. So I will try to make videos uh, every month, at least 2 to 3, okay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Bye.